we do our chef tip courtesy Tosh Biscuits, no regrets. And we have with us from one of my favorite fine dining restaurants, the Melange. I have Chef Collette Ruben here with me.
Morning, Joe.
Good morning. Chef, you have to say, I cannot wake up. You had a rough night last night. How are you?
Good.
You're good?
It's been good.
Good to have you. Good to have you. You are showing us how to stuff a chicken.
Yeah, so one particular technique on how to stuff a chicken breast.
Yeah, because that can be, if you don't get that right, all the stuffing is all over the place.
Ins and out, you lose the stuff and you lose the flavor. Yeah.
Key, let's get cracking.
Right.
What's the first thing we do?
So for the stuffing, what I did was a cream cheese, quinoa, roasted pepper.
Oh, this healthy stuffing.
Mint stuffing.
Ooh.
So you have a lot of different flavors in here. We're going to just add a few more pieces of roasted pepper. And roasting pepper is very easy.
Put it on the stove?
Yeah, I put mine on the stove.
Open flame?
Open flame on a pan like this. So I put mine on a pan.
Oh, you put yours on a pan?
Yeah, on a very hot pan. So you get the char first of all, and then I turn down the fire to let the inside soften up a little bit.
Right, okay.
Because the moisture will come out and it'll steam.
Right.
So you get a little bit of a steam, texture outside and soft inside.
I know this is not the tip, but I usually put mine on the open flame. Is that cool?
Yeah, that's good too.
That's good too? Yeah, okay.
For multitasking, I like to just be safe and put it in the pan.
Right.
Make sure it doesn't
Which means you have to watch it. And You're a real chef. You multitasking. I don't multitasking. But go ahead.
So we're good with this.
Right.
We just added a little bit more red peppers. You want to leave this out so your cream cheese is room temperature. That'll make it easier to put it in the chicken. So this is good here. The mint, the flavor of the mint will come out. It's fresh mint.
Yeah.
You'll get a little bit of texture from that too.
Right.
And red peppers and quinoa. So we'll set that aside here. That's good. And we're done with this.
So now it's for the chicken breast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the chicken breast. We can use the same board. Usually you need to switch your boards when you're using chicken. You have to be very careful. We'll use the same board because we did the vegetables first.
Right.
So we take our boning knife, which is different from your regular chef knife. You want to come across the thickest side of the chicken breast. So you're creating pockets, and what's very important when you're doing the deboning, when you're doing the stuffing, is the angle of the knife. So you don't want it too much like this. You'll create holes on this side. So you want your knife flat, and you're kind of scraping the meat until you think you have an okay pocket.
And how deep do you go? How deep do you go inside?
By eye, you have your finger on this side. You see, this isn't too thin.
Right.
So that should be good.
Yeah.
And you don't want to go too far this way.
Right.
Either.
Yeah.
So this looks like a good pocket.
A good pocket, yeah. Okay.
So we have
You need a good breast
here.
as well.
Yeah.
You need a good,
quality and a good size.
A good size breast, yeah.
So we have our stuffing here, the rest of our pepper. And it's soft, the cream cheese is a good consistency. And really you're just kind of pasting it.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter what stuffing you use as well.
No, whatever you like.
The same concept you're applying.
Yep. You want to push the stuffing a little bit more into the center.
Right.
You don't want it oozing out. So we have a string, cooking string. You just need a little bit. Put it on this side.
Toothpicks can work in as well?
Yeah, you can kind of weave them in.
Weave the toothpicks, yeah. Just I remember to take them out, I suppose,
Yeah.
Let me see the tying method because I think.
Right. So for this particular size of chicken, you don't necessarily need to tie, but just to be safe and just to have an even. So you come around, you're making loops.
Okay.
And not too tight, you don't want to change the shape. And you're just coming around here. So we're good here.
We're good there.
Just come around here.
Whoa.
And tie this in.
Mine would have been too short.
Yeah. It doesn't need to tie. You just weave it in, and that's good.
Cool. What are you doing with this? You would saute this?
Yeah, we can pan sear it first.
Right.
You have that option. If not, you can just put it in a baking sheet, put a little bit of oil, some fresh herbs
Right.
to infuse the oil
Right.
once it's in the oven. I'm going to sear it a little bit and then in the oven. So the main cooking time is in the oven.
It's in the oven.
Yeah.
All right. So Collette will do that, but the good thing about TV is that Collette did one for me to taste when I go to break. So this is when it's seared and baked. You do it. You can slice. You can see how perfect the stuffing is. I'm on the right camera, guys. No, I'm not. This is the right camera. Yeah. So you can really now see how perfect the filling literally drops in between, and it's not oozing out.
Right.
Yeah. This is what you want.
And then chicken breast, you don't need a very long cooking time. We have no bones in here.
Right.
So about 5 minutes in here on a medium fire, not too hot, on the bottom side first. So you want to seal that side first. So
Right.
bottom side first. When you have that, you make sure you have that together, and then you can turn it, and then in the oven.
And then in the oven.
Yeah.
And then in the oven. I'm doing a similar chicken breast today on the show. You know, in a creamy sauce. Yeah. If you stick around, you can get a little taste. It might be chef standard, but you know. Yeah. Thank you so much, Chef Collette Ruben of the Melange restaurant. She's dropping by. She'll be here every so often, giving us a chef tip. And this is a stuffed chicken breast. You can definitely use this in the kitchen when you want to take up your dish a notch. It is always good to impress your friends, and this is the easy way to stuff a chicken breast. Chef Collette, thank you very much, guys.